Fire escape inspection summary video. Inspector Alan Toll. I'm here at 434 3rd Avenue at San Pedro. This is the rear system. So I came here for a pre-load test inspection, but this system has been damaged quite extensively, and it's been hit. So most likely this would be an insurance. Could be an insurance claim that could be made, but the system itself, it's only a single platform, and it is extensively damaged. This is Alan Toll. I'm a licensed architect in California and certified fire escape inspector. So I'm just going to point out some of the issues. As you can see here, and I'm not going on this system, but you can see that some of the connections are pulled loose. It's hanging down. It's stress on all of the connections back to the wall. And I'll shoot some of this from down below, but looks like somebody's already taken a look at the stucco and the connections behind. This is all pulling away here. It's racked to one side. So what's going to need to happen is this is going to have to be completely restored and most likely taken down and either replaced, or anything that can be saved. All the bolts will have to be replaced because it puts stress on all the bolts, and they're all suspect. So again, this is just a pass-fail inspection. It's obviously going to fail. Could use a little bit of paint unless we just redo the whole system. But we're going to have to take a look down below. So you can see lots of damage to the wall itself. Damage here. So you're going to need not only a fire escape repair and a metal worker, but separately from any repair to fire escape, we're going to need a stucco and plaster guy to come back in and repair the stucco. So some of these connections back to the building are going to need to be addressed. Might be some work that has to occur inside the units. This ladder, we might I'm going to take a look down below, but I'm not sure if that ladder is adequate. The ladder to the roof. We can always add a fold-out ladder, which would go from either side and down. So this is going to need, definitely need an engineering oversight report where we will be more specific on what's going to be needed. But that's going to conclude this inspection for now. And if you have any questions, 866-649-0333.